beats a song only spirits know. A whisper, a chant through the ancient air. Feet on the ground, we're dancing everywhere. Oh, the rhythms of the dawn, where shadows stretch and dreams are drawn. Feel the pulse, let it lead you through the heartbeat of the earth. It's calling you. Moonlight scatters on the dusty floor. Each step we take opens one more door. Drums in the distance, voices in reply. A tapestry of sound beneath the endless sky. Lift your hands, let the spirits flow. Feel the wind, let the rhythm grow. All the rhythms of the dawn, where shadows stretch and dreams are drawn. Feel the pulse, let it lead you through the heartbeat of the earth. It's calling you. The saxophone sighs like a voice in the night. Keys shimmer soft in the dim firelight. Each note weaves a story from time long past. A melody eternal made to last.